Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, I showed you how to test diodes using a digital multimeter, and I also taught you that LED is an example of diode. In today's video, I'll show you how to measure current using a digital multimeter. Many beginners damage their multimeter when measuring current because they connect it the wrong way. So watch this video to the end and I'll show you the correct and safe method to use this digital multimeter to measure current. Now, there are two types of current measurement on this digital multimeter. We have the small current measurement, which is in milliamps, and we have the large current measurement, which is in amps. In this video, we use this circuit to demonstrate small current measurement. Then we will use this car battery charger to demonstrate large current measurement. Now, before we begin, when measuring voltage, we all know that the multimeter is connected in parallel across the circuit. But when measuring current, the multimeter must be connected in series. Now I'm using the DT830 multimeter. To measure current, I want to measure small current, which is in milliamps. For this small circuit board, this red probe will go here, and this black probe will go to come. Here is a LED circuit on a breadboard. The LED circuit is connected to a resistor to limit the current. So I'll show you how to use this digital multimeter to measure current. Because LED circuit usually have small current. That is why we are going to use the low current measuring mode on the digital multimeter. So to begin with, you switch this dial to this value, which is 200 milliamps. So to measure the current, I will connect this probe in series along one of the line of the circuit. So I will open this circuit like this. Now just like this. You can see this reading 31.2 milliamps. To use this digital multimeter to measure large current, you have to turn this dial to this 10 amps, and you remove this red probe and fix it in this port. You can see it is written 10 amps DC here. So this is a car battery now, and this is the charger. This is the charger of the car battery. So I will connect this charger to this car battery now. Now I'm already charging this car battery with this charger. You can see the display. You see the display now, 14.6 volts, and the charge current is 2.5 amps. So I want to use this digital multimeter now. I will connect this digital multimeter to measure the current that is flowing to this battery from this charger now. So if it will tally around the current that is written here. So to do that, you just open this terminal like this. Now I want to measure the charging current of this battery, the current that is charging this battery. Now this is the probe of the multimeter, and this should be attached to this place. So but I'm going to connect this multimeter in series along this line before getting to this terminal, because I want to measure the current that is being delivered to charge this battery. So I'll just put this like this. Then the black probe should be connected to the terminal like this. I can see a charge current of 2.3, around 2.3 amps. You can see this 2.3 amps. On the charger it is 2.1 amps, although they are almost close. But in measurement and instrumentation, there will be some percentage errors. So they cannot be 100% similar, but we have an idea that a current of around 2 point something is charging this car battery at the moment. You can see 2.23 at a voltage of 14.6 volts. So that's how we use this digital multimeter to measure large current. This multimeter can only measure a maximum current of 10 amps. It can only measure a maximum current of 10 amps, you can see. So if the current is higher than that, you can damage the multimeter below. There are some professional multimeters that can measure higher currents, up to 20 amps, 30 amps, like this one now. This can measure up to 20 amps and above. Thank you very much. Now, this video is part of my Digital Multimeter Tutorial Series, where I teach people step-by-step method to use a multimeter properly. If you want to fully understand how to use a digital multimeter like this for beginners, make sure you start from the first video in this playlist. So you can go to my channel and check the playlist and start watching the